So I just got done doing annual maintenance on the Excursion. We had a blowout on the right rear tire. The tread came completely off, caused a little bit of damage. I had to replace a plastic part behind the right rear wheel. The muffler tip got a little dinged up, and there's some little scuff marks on the body molding, but it's nothing that's you know, too critical. I went ahead and replaced all the tires and the spare. I went with the BFG KO2s, and I've been wanting those for quite a while. I finally got around to installing the Sinister Diesel aluminum coolant bottle and cap, which I'll show you here in a second. I have Sinister Diesel coolant intake part. You can't hardly see it, but I'll try to get a shot of it. So here's what the tires look like on stock wheels. These are the 16-inch stock wheels that I have, and I managed to save my mud flap and get the little plastic piece. There was one Excursion in a local junkyard, and I went there and got the little plastic piece that's right above the mud flap. That's the one I needed. So I had to get 2 new batteries. The batteries were dying, so I went ahead and got some more Sears Die-Hard Platinum, or they call it something else now, but they're AMG. So there's the coolant bottle with the cap. I got a new upper radiator hose, goes down. Got done washing it up. It's been pretty good while since I had washed it. So there was no other damage besides just that one wheel well on the right rear. So you can see the scuff marks in the paint, but you know, I haven't even really tried to scrub them out. So I'm not too concerned about a little ding on the muffler tip, but that doesn't really cause any issues. Anyway, that's the latest.